Through the greenhouse, we also run a median renovation program. The City of Denver has a very extensive median program. We have over 20 miles of sawscape medians and a lot of work to be done. We've decided to bring a lot of that work in-house and we'll use our greenhouse to grow the plants and choose what we want. The median is a really hard place to grow a plant. It's a very harsh environment. We have road salting going on. We have wind. It's very harsh with the sun, and it's a very short-lived area for plants. So we're looking for plants that are really hardy and can handle that. One of the other things with the medians is that they are very dangerous. So we don't want our workers out there longer than they need to be. We're really looking at plants that can be maintained very easily, cut back maybe once or twice a year. We have traffic that's running at 40 or 50 miles an hour next to these median spaces, and so the less that we can be out there and still have the plants look great, the better off we are. We use Plant Select plants as well as other water conserving plants on the medians that we grow here at the greenhouse, and we're basically looking for a design that's going to give a really good pop of color coming into the community. They're a very visual area for the City of Denver. We have lots of people out on the highway that are looking at these medians as they go by, and so they're, especially as a gateway where you come in and you know that you're passing into the City of Denver, we really want to have them be a good show, and at the same time be less maintenance than a regular garden would be in the middle of a park or somewhere. So the Plant Select, we are choosing plants that are pretty short and very, very colorful. We're using big blocks of Plant Select and other plants where if we lose a few here and there, it's not a big deal and people don't notice, but we still get a really good splash of color. So we don't mind if some of them reseed. In fact, that's better for us. We can have a few reseed and grow new plants, and we don't have to be out there planting. And anytime we can get as full of garden as we can on the medians, then we don't have to weed. So that's a better maintenance program for us as well.